How to see live events on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your live events on TikTok easy and fast way. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok. This is the home page as you can see. Now we go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines, and after that choose settings and privacy. Now you will have many options right here, and you have to go down until you find live events and click on it like this. And if you have any registered live events, you will find them here. That's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end of this video.